I've been riding a bike for most of my life. I've stayed safe over the years by having the right equipment and maximising my presence on the road. My advice is to set bike lights to flash in the day as well as at night time. The flashing helps draw attention to my position on the road and increases my safety. My bike has a range of reflectors, which makes me easier to be seen at night. Putting reflective bands on my ankles isn't just for bling. The bright motion makes it easy for me to be seen from the front and back, while the bands also reflect car lights at night. I'm safer when I'm noticed. What you wear will get you noticed too. Wearing light and bright clothes help me stand out from the crowd. When I'm carrying a bag, I use a bright bag cover. With reflective strips, the cover makes me light and bright and easy to see. And of course, I always wear a helmet. Wearing a helmet that's bright and light coloured is another great way to be more noticeable on the roads. The right equipment and attitude to riding a bike helps keep me safe. It's all about maximising my presence on the road and being as visible as possible. Cycling is my life, and I want to be riding for years to come. So I take the time to be safe and be seen.